One of the most commonly asked questions that I get is how to get rid of dark lips or how to get pink lips. I had made a video on this topic about 5 years back, and I thought now it's time for an updated video. In this video, I will tell you what are the causes for dark lips, how can we prevent darkening of lips, what are the treatment available, what can you do in clinic, what are the lip balms that you can use to improve it, and what home remedies you can do to improve your dark lips. So let's get started. So, what are the causes for dark lips? First is constitutional, meaning that if in the family all of you have dark lips, then it's very difficult to change it. Second is friction. If you have a habit of licking your lips or pursing your lips, then that can lead to darkening. You know that saliva is meant for digestion of food. So, if you're licking your lips repeatedly, then what the saliva will do is break the barrier of the skin and cause a lot of dryness, which can then heal with darkening. So you want to avoid licking your lips. Then is drinking very hot beverages. When you are taking a lot of hot beverages, you will notice that your upper lip is darker than the lower lip. Then it can also be due to excess sun exposure. When there is excessive sun exposure, you will notice that your lower lip is darker than the upper lip. Smoking can lead to darkening of lips as well as gums. Darkening of the lips can also occur due to use of lip products such as dark colored liquid matte lipsticks. This can irritate the skin on the lips and make it darker over time. Even hormonal imbalance such as Addison's disease or condition like lichen planus can lead to darkening of lips. Dark lips can also occur due to drugs such as doxycycline or any tetracycline, antimalarials. These can lead to darkening of lips. So, how to prevent dark lips? Now that we know the causes, we also need to understand how to prevent darkening of lips. First is you have to follow a regular lip care routine and make sure that your lip does not dry out. So do not pick on your lips, do not purse your lips, do not lick your lips. After that, you can apply a thick lip balm before you sleep at night and a layer of lip balm in the morning. Try to avoid liquid matte lipsticks and instead use light colored glossy lipsticks. This will be less irritating to the lips and also have lesser chances of darkening your lips. Remove your lip makeup properly at night. You can use a cleansing balm for this or a micellar water. Make sure that all bits of makeup are removed from the lips and then apply a thick lip balm before you go to bed. And another important thing is to brush your teeth before you wash your face. If you wash your face and then brush your teeth, then there can be bits of toothpaste which can irritate the lips and cause darkening. So always brush your teeth first and then properly wash your mouth as well as the lip area in order to remove any toothpaste residues that may accumulate on the lips or on the lip corners. Now it's important to understand what can be corrected and what cannot. If you've always had dark lips, then it can never become pink. If over time it has become darker, then definitely we can improve it. Can everybody get pink lips? No. It's not possible for everyone to get pink lips. The color of the lips is decided by the color of our skin as well. So if you are on a duskier side, it's impossible for you to get pink lips. Okay. If you've always had dark lips, then also it's impossible to make it naturally pink permanently. What lip balms should you use for dark lips? Remember that lip balms are no magic. It's not that if you use a lip balm, your lips will become permanently pink. That is not possible. What can lip balms do? They can lighten the lips and also they can hydrate the lips so that it appears better and less darker. Okay, so this is very important to understand what is achievable and what is not. If you have dark lips, just applying these lip balms are not going to change. So how do these lip balms work? They basically work by two mechanisms. First is either they reduce the amount of pigment that is formed in the lips, or they increase the cell turnover so that the dead skin is shed and fresher skin is exposed. Okay, so you can use either lip balms for this, or you can use exfoliating serums or exfoliating scrubs on the lips in order to exfoliate them. I am personally not a fan of physical scrubs on the lips or anywhere, but there are certain lip balms that you can use that can definitely improve your condition. These are names of lip balms that you can use along with agents that can cause gentle exfoliation. You can take a screenshot. So if you've used all lip balms and exfoliating agents and still you find no improvement in your dark lips, then what can you do? Then there are certain in-clinic procedures that can help. First is chemical peeling. We either use arginine, ferulic acid, mandelic acid, or lactic acid based peels in order to improve the color of your lips. This causes gentle exfoliation of the lips and then it improves the color. You have to remember that whenever you're undergoing these procedures, you have to use lip balm religiously and also apply sunscreen or use a lip balm with SPF so that you can notice improvement. You can also go for a few sessions of Q-switched Nd:YAG laser. Nd:YAG laser tends to break the pigment under the skin and your body then removes this pigment. Okay, so the improvement takes about 3 to 4 weeks to become noticeable. You require about 6 to 8 sessions done about 3 to 4 weeks apart. This can help in reducing the darkening of the lips. But remember that if your lips are very, very dark, then that's not going to change, but it can improve your lip shade by 2 to 3 shades. We can also inject hyaluronic acid into your lips. These are called skin booster injections. This do not plump your lip as much, but they kind of hydrate the lips, and because they moisturize the lips from within, they make your lips appear less dark and pinker and better. So products which we usually use are called skin boosters. So these are injected into the lips. These are hyaluronic acid fillers, but unlike regular fillers which tend to plump the lip, these are not cross-linked, so they do not hold water in all quantity as much as the fillers hold, but this does tend to hydrate the lips and the results tend to last for about 8 to 12 months. So you can get a session of skin booster done on your lips, which can help in hydrating the lips and improving the skin color. Another procedure you can undergo is lip blushing. This is very helpful for those who have genetic or hereditary type of darkening and whose lips are much darker than the skin tone, and these lip balms may not help as much, or the procedures I mentioned before might not help as much. Then you can go for lip blushing. Lip blushing is a type of tattooing that we do in which we use light pink color pigment and we tattoo and deposit this color under the skin so that your lips look uniformly light pink. We can give a natural hue to the lips. We can even test it out as to which lip color you like and then match it with the one that you prefer. So in this way, we can make your lips appear pink, and this results usually last for about 1 to 2 years. You may need to do a touch-up session after 1 or 2 months. So a single session is done first, and then you can do a touch-up session after 1 or 2 months in order to get the perfect match of your lips. This lip blushing is also helpful for those who have darkening only on the lip margins, or who have half and half lip where they feel that the upper half is darker and the lower half is lighter. In this also we can do lip blushing and match the entire lips. This can give a really nice pinkish hue to the lips, which looks very, very natural, and you can go out with just the lip gloss and you don't even need to use a lipstick on a regular basis. Now that we've discussed about all clinic procedures, what else can we do? I get a lot of questions about home remedies. Are there any home remedies that can help with dark lips? Well, in the previous video, I had mentioned some home remedies, but now after 5 years, I stand corrected and I feel that home remedies do not actually work in making the lips any lighter. I do see these beetroot lip balms that I use, but they actually just stain the lips and make it appear pink for a short period of time, but then it just gets washed off. It's better to find the cause for your dark lips and address it and go for the treatments that I've mentioned above in order to see improvement, rather than wasting time with doing home remedies, as they do not cause too much of improvement in your lips. I hope you found this video useful. If you like such skin and hair related content, you can follow me on my Instagram handle, Dr. Aanchal MD, where I post such skin and hair related content daily. Thank you for watching.